There are multiple components to a 401 MVD Vickers and Knoop micro-hardness tester. Let's go through a few of the most important ones. The measuring microscope or eyepiece, the load selection knob, the 10x objective lens, the indenter tip, the stage, the X and the Y knobs, the LCD screen, and the membrane keyboard. For loading your sample, you're going to place it inside the auto leveler, holding it with one hand and using your other hand to spin the wheel in a counterclockwise direction. The sample will reach the top and will be locked into position. After the sample is loaded, the force knob should be adjusted accordingly. The force applied can be anywhere from 10 to 1,000 grams force. Looking through the eyepiece, the focus knob can be used to raise or lower the stage in order to bring your sample into focus. After focusing, the X and Y knobs can be used to find a particular area of interest on your sample. Lastly, slide the turret so the indenter tip is above your sample. You should hear it click into place. After changing the force knob, the number in the top right corner will blink. The machine will ask you to confirm the new force. Simply click OK to accept the changes. To change the type of hardness test, click Setup. Scroll through the options until you see Hardness Scale. You can now change between Vickers and Knoop. For our purposes, we will be using Vickers. Next, you can set up the dwell time by clicking the Dwell button. You can increase or decrease the amount of time the force is applied by simply clicking the up and down arrows. Hit OK to confirm the new time or Escape to keep the current dwell time. Next, you will hit the Start button to begin the test. After the test is complete, move the indenter tip over to the 40x objective lens until it clicks into place. Then you will use the eyepiece and these two knobs. The knob on the left moves the two lines simultaneously, while the knob on the right moves one line closer or further apart from the other line. The lines need to be aligned with two of the diagonals on the indent. When complete, click the button to lock in the measurement. Now, move the eyepiece to measure the other two diagonals. Click the button once more to lock in the second measurement. When that is complete, you will see the two measurements of the diagonals as well as the calculated hardness value. Furthermore, going through the Setup menu, you can convert this hardness value into any other scale. The value will be shown below the measured hardness value.